Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make French toast without eggs. First, gather your ingredients: bread, plant-based milk, flour, sugar, and vanilla extract. This method uses a simple batter to coat the bread, ensuring a golden, crispy finish without any egg products. It's a fantastic alternative for anyone with dietary restrictions or simply looking for a new twist on a classic breakfast. You'll be surprised how easy and delicious it is to achieve that perfect texture and flavor. Now let's prepare the batter. In a shallow dish, whisk together 1 cup of your favorite plant-based milk, like almond or oat, with 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Then, stir in 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract for flavor. Make sure the mixture is smooth and lump-free. For the bread, choose a sturdy, thick-cut variety, ideally about 3/4 of an inch thick, to absorb the batter well without becoming soggy. With your batter ready, it's time to cook. Place a non-stick pan or griddle over medium heat and add a small amount of oil or vegan butter. Carefully dip each slice of bread into the prepared batter, making sure both sides are fully coated. Don't let it soak too long. Transfer the coated bread to the hot pan and cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes on each side until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color and is cooked through. Once cooked, serve your delicious egg-free French toast immediately. You can top it with anything you like. Classic options include a drizzle of maple syrup, a sprinkle of powdered sugar, or a handful of fresh berries. For an extra treat, try some vegan whipped cream or a dollop of fruit compote. This recipe proves that you don't need eggs to enjoy a fantastic breakfast. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.